Target. Yes.
New Go-Gurt Ride-On Tubes. This back to school, say it with Go-Gurt.
I'm gonna prank my dad.
Any questions? I'm always being rhetorical. Okay. You.
Hello, Mr. President. I am a puppet reporter for the ABCDEFGHIJKLMNOP.
Just get to the point, Framo.
Okay. Well, anyway, my question is, what do you intend to do about the Russian?
Yeah, you know what? You can just shut your mouth because I'm not gonna do what he wants.
Oh, but I,
When Elmo is talking, you shut your trap. Otherwise, your booty will get a slap. That's right. All right, everybody just calm down, okay? Okay, next question, please. Elmo got the most electoral votes ever, okay? Obama only got 5.
President Obama got 365.
Okay, you know what? Elmo can only count to 5, so that's not Elmo's fault. You're poopy news. You're poopy. You're all just poopies. Poopy dirty heads.
Bing, bing, bong, bong, bing, bing, bing.
Alexa, accept the call.
Hello.
You forgot to mention how hard this whole parenting thing would be.
It has not been easy for me. And, you know, I started off in Brooklyn. My father gave me a small loan of $1 million.
This is Jody, first-time mom. And these are the twins, Benny and Sarah, first-time babies.
Why doesn't he show his birth certificate?
Meet Emily. With the help of her grandpa Tom, they're about to launch a project of cosmic proportions.
Oh, this is my favorite part.
build a great
So, Doodlebug,
nobody builds
how's the drawing coming?
And I'll build them.
The big one is
Very
Jupiter,
inexpensive.
with its anti-cyclonic storm, aka the Great Red Spot.
Wow.
Have you ever done this before, Grandpa?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Fake news.
For Doug and Jody, having twins has been a handful, but Echo Show helps lighten the load.
Alexa, reorder diapers.
I don't like to talk about this issue too much because I really would rather talk about China.
Bing, bing, bong, bong, bing, bing.
Alexa, accept the call.
We need to build a wall.
Yep.
And it has to be built quickly. And I don't mind having a big, beautiful door in that wall
Whoops.
so that people can come into this country legally.
Because Echo Show is always ready, you can ask Alexa for a hand whenever you need one, even in the middle of the night.
Alexa, play my Guilty Pleasures playlist.
We need to build a wall. We need to build a wall. We need to build a big, beautiful wall. We need to build a wall. We need to build a wall. We need to build a big, beautiful wall. We need to build a wall. We need to build a wall. We need to build a big, beautiful wall.
Wow. Great job today, kiddo.
You too, Grandpa.
Except, it's like something is still missing.
What?
Alexa, turn off the lights.
Turn off the lights.
Whoa. It's like we're in space.
Oh, that's so much better. Those lights were brutal. They come from the dishonest press?
This is Drop-In, an easy way to be together. Once your closest friends and family have granted access, you can see when they're available. Then just say,
Alexa, drop in on Grandma.
She's home resting right now. She's getting ready for her next speech, which is going to be about 15 minutes, and it's going to be in 2 or 3 days. But here's a woman. She's supposed to fight all of these different things, and she can't make it 15 feet to her car. Give me a break.
That's Saturn, and that's Jupiter. Oh, and that's the little alien I made.
Criminal aliens. They're going to be gone fast.
Echo Show is getting smarter every day.
I'm a very smart person. You know, I went to the best school.
That was a long one. Alexa, add date night to my calendar for Friday at 7 p.m.
If Ivanka weren't my daughter, perhaps I'd be dating her.
Alexa, turn off the lights.
Don't turn the lights on. Plus, we save an electricity.
Oi! Is that the bloody weed shit I was...
Who you calling weed?
What you talking about? Use my weekend! I am your Sith, High and Bounty Hunter, Baba D. Flats.
Seriously, what kind of name is that?
My dad's junior name.
Oh, this dude's getting interesting.
I told you there was a way to gain power. You could become more powerful than Dooku, more powerful than Sidious, or even should I say, your rival Anakin Skywalker. You could join me, and together we can rule. So what do you say, young Padawan?
Who said I'm a Padawan?
Let the captain not send your master die to my blade! It's the war attrition way! Wars of attrition are war! Battle out! Just like the days of the Sith Army! Anger is not the way of a gentleman!
I'm not afraid anymore.
I'm running for president.
See this? Melbourne, Daytona Beach, all the way up to Jacksonville. This moves 20 miles to the west, and you and everyone you know are dead. All of you. Because you can't survive it. It's not possible unless you're very, very lucky. And your kids die too.
For the Los Angeles traffic today is 9-year-old Tommy Douglas. Tommy has lived most of his life in the hospital after being born with a potato for a heart and will undergo a heart transplant surgery next weekend. He's about as big of a traffic fan as they come, so in partnership with the Grant-A-Wish Foundation, both teams have agreed to come together and have Tommy run the first play of the game. And he got the handoff, and there he goes. Made a little cutback move, and it looks like he's gonna go all the way. Look at him go. Wow. This is really one of those heartwarming moments in sports where you just... Oh! Oh, my God. That was just... That is not good.